Hey everyone, welcome back to Corporate Decoder. Today we're diving into a report about a company switching accountants, which might not sound like a thriller, but trust me, sometimes the juicy secrets are hidden in the fine print of these kinds of changes. It's like changing your car mechanic and hoping they don't find anything too interesting under the hood. We're looking at a Form 8K from Cipher Mining Inc., filed in April of 2025. This form is used to report major events that could be of interest to investors, in this case, a change in their accounting firm. So what's the story here? Well, Cipher Mining had their financial books audited by Markham LLC. However, another company, CBA CPAs PC, acquired Markham's Attest business, which basically means the part that checks and confirms financial statements. So most of the people who worked on Cipher Mining's audits at Markham went over to CBIZ. Because of this move, Markham officially stepped down as Cipher Mining's accounting firm in April, and Cipher Mining hired CBIZ to take over starting April 15. So it's like a relay race with Markham handing the baton to CBIZ. Now here's a key point. Cipher Mining says they didn't talk to CBIZ about any tricky accounting questions or get their opinion on their financial statements before making the switch. This is important because it shows the company wasn't shopping around for a more favorable opinion. The report from Markham for the years of 2023 and 2024 didn't have any major red flags. There was no adverse opinion, which is like a failing grade, and they didn't refuse to give an opinion altogether. This means the auditors didn't find anything seriously wrong with the company's financial statements. However, there was a problem. Markham gave an adverse opinion on Cipher Mining's internal control over financial reporting for the end of 2024. Think of internal controls as the procedures a company uses to make sure its financial information is correct. An adverse opinion means the auditors found a significant weakness in these procedures. The specific issue was with information technology general controls over change management controls. In plain English, this means they had problems with how they manage changes to their computer systems that affect financial data. It's like not having good security measures on the systems that hold your company's money. To make sure everyone is on the same page, Cipher Mining gave Markham a copy of this report before filing it with the SEC, which is the Securities and Exchange Commission, the government agency that watches over companies, and asked Markham to confirm they agreed with everything that was said. And guess what? Markham provided a letter saying they agree with the statements. So at least everyone seems to be telling the same story. Now, what does this all mean? Well, changing accounting firms isn't necessarily a bad thing, especially when it's due to an acquisition like this one. However, the fact that there was a material weakness found in the company's internal controls is something to pay attention to. It suggests that Cipher Mining had some problems ensuring the accuracy and reliability of its financial data, and this is something they'll need to fix. It's like having a leaky faucet in your house. It might not seem like a big deal at first, but if you don't fix it, it can cause bigger problems down the road. Looking at Cipher Mining more broadly, the company's direction hinges on addressing the weakness in internal controls. This is a weakness in their IT and financial reporting process. If they can fix the IT problems in their change management controls, that would be a win. If they don't, it could shake investor confidence. Odd of all, this report highlights the importance of good internal controls, especially in today's world where so much financial data is managed electronically. Thanks for watching. If you found this breakdown helpful, give us a like and subscribe for more Corporate Decoder insights. And let us know in the comments if there are any other filings you'd like us to dissect.